the hot yet very beautiful tropical country of India, if you ask people, give one reason why you love this hot summer, I think everybody in one voice will say mangoes. My very beautiful childhood memories, most of the time I spent on mango trees. And I can eat mangoes for breakfast, lunch and even for dinner. What is summer love? For me, true summer love is after I eat one bowl of nicely cut mangoes, there is another bowl of cut mangoes waiting in my fridge. That is my true summer love. Namaste, Salam Walaikum, Sat Sri Akal. Welcome back to another session with your Wash Chef at Vareva.com. And today I am going to make one of the sexiest crunchy mango bite, and this is going to be like a candy and very beautiful. Take some nice ripe mango, cut mango into pieces and then cut into another quarter. We are going to cut this mango in such a way that it will look good. Very simple. After that, cut mango. Now what we do is we are going to turn the mango a little bit like this. It's very simple. Turn it the other side and put the skewer from this side to the other side. Look at this beautiful piece of mango. We are going to fry this mango, coating with little bit batter, and this is going to be nice and crunchy. After which we are going to give a caramel coat, or even you can pour honey and throw some pistachio on it and you will thoroughly love it. Cut them beautiful and they will look like hair clips. Look at all the pieces, they are ready, and we are going to coat this with the batter and fry. We are going to make a batter. Just take all-purpose flour, that is maida, and also some cornstarch. Add a pinch of salt. It will enhance the sweetness, and also add some crushed pepper, very little. And to this, add water. Just make this into a thick batter. Now the batter is ready. I'm going to keep it on the side, and I'm going to mix another flour mixture. In this, I've got cornstarch and all-purpose flour, same flour, but I'm going to add some baking powder into this. Mix this. Take the batter and just pour on top of it like this. Look at this. Just take this batter, pour on the mango. On the back side also it doesn't matter. The mango will turn now into very crunchy. Once you do this, then the second step, take this flour and sprinkle. This is what we are going to do with all these pieces of mango and leave it there. Do the same with all the pieces. Hot oil, just put these mangoes beautifully. Wow. Look at these hair clips of mangoes. Go into this with a nice crunchy outer. Now we are going to do that magic spell. I am making caramel. Just take sugar, sprinkle a little bit of water, let it cook on a flame. Do not have to stir also. Once it gets this golden color, I am going to do some magic for you. So here the mangoes, which are nice and crunchy. Look at this kind of lotus flowery. Here is the melted sugar, that is nothing but caramel. You can dip them here, but I just want to pour some caramel on top. This is melting. Sprinkle some pistachio, and this will harden up in no time. Now if you are afraid of caramel, I am going to do it the same thing with the honey. Do the same thing. Oh, God. This is what the love is. Pour some honey on top and take the pistachio and sprinkle. Now we got nice crunchy caramel and sexy honey. I've just spun the caramel and that has got the golden threads. Dear friends, the true love of summer is with these mangoes. Make variations. Make this summer very special for your kids. When they come back home, a small piece of mango with this love, I'm telling you, they will go crazy. Makes this summer very, very special for your family. The mango, the crunchy bite and that butterscotchy effect. Wow. The crunchiness from the caramel and the juiciness from the mango. God. Dear friends, I don't know. After eating this, I'm sure you will fall in love with me. But as I always say, keep cooking great food. Serve your family and friends. Enjoy it and keep saying Vareva.